Looking for one snowboard that can handle everything the mountain throws at you? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 all-mountain snowboards that deliver power, control, and versatility in any condition. From groomers to powder and even park laps, these boards are built to do it all. Let's dive in. Number 5. Never Summer Benchmark. The Never Summer Benchmark is a standout all-mountain snowboard designed to deliver versatility and performance across a wide range of conditions, from groomers to pow and even playful freestyle laps. It's built with Never Summer's signature rocker camber profile, featuring rocker between the feet for a surf-like feel and camber underfoot for solid edge hold, pop, and stability across varied terrain. At a medium flex, around 6/10, the Benchmark strikes the perfect balance between responsiveness and playfulness, making it a great choice for riders who want one board that can do almost everything on the mountain. It doesn't feel too stiff or too soft, so you can confidently carve hardpack, float and powder, and even enjoy some freestyle moments without feeling out of place. Tech features include a power surf wood core that blends lightweight with energy and strength, and Carbon Max laminate technology that adds torsional rigidity and snap without excessive weight. The Vario Power Grip sidecut creates multiple edge contact points for reliable hold on icy slopes, and early rise float mechanics improve float in deeper snow. The board's directional twin shape with a slight setback gives it all-mountain confidence while keeping it balanced enough for fun turns and switch riding. The high-end Durasurf XT sintered base ensures consistent speed and durability in any condition. Overall, the Benchmark is an excellent everyday board for intermediate to advanced riders seeking a trustworthy all-mountain performer that's smooth, lively, and enjoyable no matter where you ride. Number 4. Roam Ravine Pro. The Roam Ravine Pro is a high-performance all-mountain snowboard built for riders who want power, float, and control in every condition you throw at the mountain. Designed with a directional shape and 7.5 mm taper, this board naturally excels in deep powder and technical terrain while still performing smoothly on groomers and harder snow. Its freeride camber profile features a rocker in the nose for effortless float in powder, a flat midsection for stability, and a positive cambered tail for strong edge hold and power off the tail. One of the standout tech features is the directional diamond 3D nose, which enhances float and reduces edge catch, giving the board a surf-like feel in soft snow. Underneath, the Super Pop core combines lightweight poplar and Polonia with Carbon Omega hot rods for explosive energy and responsiveness, perfect when you want to charge hard or launch off features. With a stiff flex rating of around 8 out of 10, the Ravine Pro is tuned for experienced riders who want precision at speed and confidence in variable snow. Flax walls and impact plates help dampen chatter and improve durability, while the Sinter Speed base delivers fast glide on everything from powder to icy groomers. Number 3. United Shapes Cadet. The United Shapes Cadet is a unique all-mountain snowboard that blends freeride power with playful freestyle character, making it a versatile choice for riders who want one board that does a bit of everything. It's built around a traditional camber profile with an early rise nose, giving you strong edge hold and turn response, while the gentle lift in the nose helps with float in softer snow. This mix keeps the board confident and precise from groomers to deeper snow. At its core is the classic core, built from poplar and Polonia wood reinforced with ash stringers. This structure keeps the board light, lively, and durable, absorbing chatter and giving you smooth energy through turns. Woven carbon stringers in an X pattern ensure excellent power transfer and stability, while additional carbon reinforcement at the binding zones adds strength where you need it most. With a medium flex, about 6/10, the Cadet feels responsive and lively without being overly stiff, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced riders who want versatility on all parts of the mountain. Its deep sidecut helps carve smooth arcs, while the directional shape with a slight 5 mm taper improves float and control when the snow gets soft. The Cadet is also designed with deep day inserts, so you can set your stance back for extra float on deep powder days, a nice bonus for riders chasing varied terrain. In short, it's a reliable all-mountain performer that's fun, precise, and ready for almost any condition you bring it into. Number 2. Salomon Assassin. The Salomon Assassin is a standout all-mountain freestyle snowboard that blends park performance with big terrain capability, making it one of the most versatile boards for riders who want one board to do it all. Built as a directional twin with rock-out camber, this board delivers a playful yet stable feel that's equally at home on groomers, in the park, and when exploring steeper lines. Underfoot, the rock-out camber profile combines camber between the feet for pop and edge hold with rocker toward the nose and tail for smooth turn initiation and float in softer snow. The quadrilaser sidecut further enhances edge-to-edge transitions and control, giving you confidence when carving at speed or making quick direction changes. One of the Assassin's key strengths is its medium flex, which strikes a balance between responsiveness and forgiveness, ideal for intermediate to advanced riders who want both stability and playful energy. Bowls, groomers, park laps, and side hits all feel confident thanks to a sintered base and Popster Eco Booster, which add pop and smooth glide. While it's not a pure carving specialist, the Assassin still handles most all-mountain tasks with ease. It's great for riders who like mixing styles, from hitting jumps and rails to ripping groomers or chasing powder lines, making it a true do-it-all board. Overall, the Salomon Assassin shines as a versatile daily driver snowboard that keeps things fun, snappy, and reliable across varied terrain, perfect for riders who want one board that won't hold them back. Number 1. Capita Mega Mercury. The Capita Mega Merc is one of the most exciting high-end all-mountain snowboards on the market, built for riders who demand power, versatility, and performance in any terrain. Inspired by the classic Capita Mercury design, the Mega Merc takes things further with premium construction, lightweight materials, and advanced tech to deliver a dynamic ride that feels lively yet stable. At its core is the 3D thermopolymer Starship core combined with Mega Carbon and Mega Drive XT base tech, making this board both lightweight and responsive so you can blast down groomers, slay side hits, and handle variable snow confidently. The board uses a camber rocker hybrid profile called Resort V2 Directional Plus Flat Kick Tech, which balances edge control, pop, and float when you need it, giving you stability at speed without feeling dull or lifeless. The Mega Merc rides like a true all-terrain weapon. It's fast, confident, and versatile, with a directional twin shape and minimal setback that lets you ride centered when you want playful moments or slightly back for deeper snow. Whether you're charging groomers, slashing crud, or catching air off features, this board feels ready for anything, though it's best suited for intermediate to advanced riders who can take advantage of its dynamic personality and premium build. Overall, the Mega Merc stands out as a top-tier all-mountain board that blends power and versatility with a lively feel, a great one-board quiver option if you want serious performance everywhere.